myabaton.com, where we're going to be addressing our hip PMS. We're going to want to be able to progress the hip strength throughout the whole entire hip because it's about balance strength. So we do this first by standing. You're going to find something to give you support. So a wall or a chair or something that you can hold on to, or a very steady man. Is you want to start by doing our classic hip kicks out to the side. And with this, make sure that you don't go forward. A lot of people tend to want to kick out to the side and do forward motion a little bit. Don't do that. Go to the side or even a little bit back. This exercise is called Around the World because we're going to start by going out to the side. You're going to do 10 to 15 reps. Then you're going to go forward without kicking each other. Work the front of your hip. Now if you have pain with any of these motions, just decrease how far you go. So if it hurts, just do a smaller one. Then you're going to go to the side across your body, just like so. And after you do that, then you're going to go back. Don't lean forward. Don't be a dipping duck. Just stand straight, tall, and kick straight back. This is when it's nice to have a wall to lean onto so that you can not lean forward. So the next step to making this around the world exercise a little bit more difficult is to be on the ground. And you start either in a half seated or laying down position, and you lift your legs straight up off the ground, keeping the knees straight. It'll be a little bit more difficult seated, so if you want to lay down on the ground and do it, that'll be a little bit easier. Now if you have back pain, be cautious with this one. You'll need to work on engaging your core, which you can look at in our low back exercise videos. Then you're going to roll to your side. Okay, the hip will come straight up. Make sure with this one that you don't roll your hips back, because then you're just going to be working the front of your hip again. Make sure your hips are rolled forward. You can even use your hand to kind of keep you in check. You put your hand there and push your hips forward, and then lift that hip up this way, either straight up or a little bit back and lifting it up. Then you roll to your stomach. You can be completely flat or you can be on your elbows. It doesn't matter, whatever's more comfortable for you. And you kick your leg straight up. Just like this will work again in your back, your glutes, and your hamstrings a little bit. Okay, then we keep rolling in our around the world approach. Top leg is going to drop back, and this leg is then going to come straight up. And this will work the inside muscles of your leg. Those are the 4 positions of the around the world in developing really balanced strength. That's how you address one of the strengthening from your hip, in addressing your hip PMS.